Okay, so congratulations on taking action, and I'm really excited to have you here. This is the Easy App Domination training area. Here you will find everything related to Easy App Domination. That is how you can make apps for various categories, how you can monetize them, and how you can make lists, and many things you will find here. So let's get started. First of all, let us note that you can only build and publish apps if you have purchased the access to Easy App Domination Builder platform. Yes, if you have purchased it, if you have the user ID and the password, then you can access and build apps. If you haven't, then just click get access now and you will be taken to easyappdomination.com platform. I'm in the website. There you can get the details about getting your user ID and password, and then you can come here and build apps. Okay, so next is contact support. If you have got any questions regarding the app builder, then you can submit your question here and we'll answer it. Next is app builder login. Use this to log in and create your apps. Now it will be beneficial if you follow the training and act simultaneously for better results. Here I've described each of the modules in videos so that you can watch with me. That is, while I do the apps, while I make the apps, you can watch the process and create with me. Then you can learn it easily. And the advantage of having online training is that you can watch it whenever you like at your own time. So make the best use of it. First is basic training. Make sure to watch this first so that you can have a good understanding of how the platform works and the details about the app builder platform area. So watch this basic training first. Next we have four modules, that is AdSense. Using AdSense you can earn passive income online. Next is local business, that is if you want to build apps and sell the local business, then you can use this section. Then is list building, and then CPA or affiliate program. These are four modules. Just click it and you will be taken to the respective training areas where you can watch the videos and learn it. Finally, it is about publishing. That is the last section is publishing. It is common to all of the modules, so watch it after you have created the apps. Next, you need to visit our Facebook page and like it, because we'll be giving regular tips and updates on our Facebook page. So it will be highly beneficial if you are a fan of our Facebook page. Okay, so go ahead and click this to visit our Facebook page and then like it. Okay, so that's all for this video, and I'll see you inside the training. That is, when you click and access the four modules and including the basic training, I'll be there guiding you with this app builder platform. Okay, so thank you.